Tropical Rainforest by aHMAD mOSE. A tropical rainforest is an ecosystem mainly composed of vegetation communities. Trees are closely spaced and the plants are densely populated. Statistically, they cover approximately 7% of the surface of the earth. There are many rainforests throughout the planet, with the largest being located in South America. There are also many types of rainforests. Got equatorial, montane, monsoon, temperate, boreal, and cloud. They are all different based on location and amount of rainfall. An equatorial receives more than 80 inches of rain annually, with the montane and cloud receiving up to 79 inches per year. Monsoon, definitely living up to his name, receiving up to 100 to 200 inches of rainfall a year. Average temperature of a rainforest is 70. The average temperature of a rainforest is 77 degrees, but it isn't uncommon for it to dip or to rise between 68 to 86 degrees. But the temperature is remainly consistent. Likewise, with the rainfall location also plays a role in temperature. The ones closer to the equator are definitely hotter than the ones further away. We will now segue into plants. There are a multitude of plants that are located in the rainforest. Orchids, Brazil nut trees, and Venus flytraps, just to name a few. The bark on a Brazil nut tree is very thin because the tree has adapted to the extreme amount of moisture, so it no longer needs to conserve it. When trees have thick bark, they are conserving the moisture, the little moisture that they do get, to last them a long amount of time. But the Brazil nut tree is so thin because it doesn't need to spend energy on creating a thicker bark because it already receives enough moisture. Animals. Jaguars, sloths, and anacondas are a few of the animals who call the rainforest home. The animal I would like to focus on is the poisonous dart frog. Its beautiful colors and deadly poison are an extreme adaptation because ones raised in captivity do not produce the poison or are not as vibrant. Abiotic things. There are a lot of abiotic things in a rainforest, such as water, rocks, mountains, rainforest, hills, dirt, sand, all type of things that are not alive and that are not breathing, like that don't move. The food web. Each arrow is pointing to what that animal eats, such as the anaconda will eat the monkey and not the other way around. Natural resources. Gold, copper, and gemstones are found in the rainforest. Extracting those very same resources is what's killing the rainforest. That and deforestation is a two-headed beast that are devastating rainforests. We can put a complete and immediate stop to deforestation and mining to further protect the rainforest. That is all.